keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump, yeah. That natural beauty, beauty, yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back, back, juicy.
You guys know this video is gonna be good if I'm in my red robe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, my skin is looking horrendous. You know, you cannot really tell in this video. So today I'm going to be doing a Euphoria inspired makeup look. This is gonna be kind of like a get ready with me. Once upon a time, this channel used to be very heavily surrounded on makeup. I used to be super into makeup. It was a passion of mine, but I don't know why I've stopped doing those, so I'm going to start doing those videos now. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the video. What I'm gonna do is gonna be filling up my eyebrows. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. I've been using this for like 3 years now and it's really good, so the end of 2019 and the start of 2020 is literally around the corner. I don't know, it's already December and it's crazy to even think that. So far I feel like 2019 has been a pretty good year. I wouldn't want to say my year, but I feel like, you know, I'm now shaping my eyebrows, putting a little bit over my eyelid as a base. 2019 has been good to me. Not saying bad shit hasn't happened. A lot of bad shit happened this year, but a lot of good things, a lot of memorable things as well. There was so much bad shit that happened this year. It's really taught me how to grow, and I feel like, I don't know, I'm just really appreciative of everything because like a lot of things happened to me, and if you were to compare me to January Elena to now Elena, I feel like the way we would do things and the way we would react to things is a lot different. And I feel like I prefer where I am now anyways. I used to be very insecure of like being alone and shit, but I feel like this year has really taught me that like it's okay to be alone. What I mean by this is like, I don't know, I felt like, I don't know, for the longest time I felt like I always needed to have a boyfriend. Not saying I went out specifically looking for a boyfriend, but I felt really lonely and stuff like that if I didn't have a boyfriend or whatever. And I feel like especially this year I struggled a lot with that, but I mean like, I finally got here, so for the first time in a long time, it was really weird to say, but like I actually feel like happy where I am, and like I feel like happy or like okay with like not having a boyfriend, or like, you know, I actually feel happy to like be alone. Like for the longest time I've been subconsciously struggling with that, so yeah, it feels great. For the first time in a long time, I'm not interested in anyone. Like I'm not looking for anyone. I don't want to be with anyone. I'm just really over the whole dating thing. I don't really know why. I just feel like there's so many things happening in my life right now that I just feel like I just need to just really be with myself, and I just cannot deal with boys. And I feel like a few of you guys can relate to me on this one, but all it takes is that one annoying, painful, memorable moment that happened with a specific boy or girl that's made you just really give it all up. Like you're just like, okay, like honestly if this doesn't work out, like I'm happy, you know, like I'm really thankful that like it didn't work out because like I just cannot do this shit anymore. I just do not have the stamina to get through this and do this again. So you know what, I'm just gonna say it myself. So yeah, if you guys have experienced one of those moments, same. Yeah, an event like that happened this year, and honestly I was sad, but now I'm kind of happy because I'm like, I'm just gonna shut up. Yesterday was Black Friday, so I got this Anastasia clear brow gel. I'm so happy I got this because I really need it, I think. And oh, I got my nails done today. You see them, they're just like flamed. These are my thumb, these are my favorite part. It literally, the nails were gifted, so I decided to do the most. I just absolutely love my nails, oh my god! So before I get on to my eyes, I'm gonna do my face makeup. I'm gonna put in some primer to just smoothen out my forehead, some pores over here. I'm gonna be using a little bit of my Fenty foundation because I feel like it's really good and long lasting. I don't know, if you're one of the people who think my skin looks fine, it's because of the camera. I don't know why my camera isn't picking up all this, but oh, my face is not doing good. Oh my god, I haven't done makeup in so long. Straight away from like really intense colorful makeup, but I've been wearing more like going out daily makeup. Okay, so I'm zooming guys in to be putting this innisfree single shadow. This is just in shade 17, and it's just like a brown, grayish brown cool tone color. I'm putting this all over my eye, and I put concealer on my eyelid just so the color would show up a lot more. Today's the last day of school, so I'm actually getting ready to go out later. Taking this brush to really blend everything. Right. Next, I'm going to be using this little mini brown palette. I got it from Japan, and I think it's in the shade soft brown or something like that. But what I'm gonna be doing is just taking this little shimmery brown color and putting this kind of just on my lash line as a liner. I've been doing a lot of shadow linings recently, and I've been using this little innisfree smudgy brush things. I'm going to be taking the darker shade with the same shader brush, going a little bit more precisely into the lash line. Taking my Naked Basics palette and just taking just a simple black color just to be chalking it on the actual lash line with a flat shader brush, like a flat brush. I don't even know the brush names anymore. I really downgraded from the whole beauty thing. I'm using this to just stamp on my lash line, like actually stamp it. Really just stamping it in. That's the eye look. What I'm gonna do now is just put glitter. I don't know what glitter to use. There are a bunch of new glitters recently from Innisfree, so I don't really know what to use. I think I'm gonna be using either these two. This is just a plain like shimmer gold one, and then this is just a pink. This is just a clear one with pink sparkles, so I think I'm gonna use this one today, only because I just want a little pop of pink. Because there's no color to it, it just has really nice hot pink glitter sparkles. So I'm going to be curling my lashes and putting on a mascara base. Okay. So I'm putting on this pmel Essence mascara base. I got it from Japan, so they do not have this here. This really does make a difference in keeping my lashes up. So waiting for that to dry down, I'm gonna go on to my face makeup. This little contour stick. This Seoul in 2 days, and I'm literally like super excited to go. Like I don't know why, but I'm super excited to go. I don't know if I'm gonna be uploading this video before or after Seoul. Probably after, because there's no way I can edit this video in like a day. My skin is bad. I'm putting some on my forehead. This bronzer. Oh my god, I cannot wait to drive. Literally halfway through my lessons, and I'm just so excited to just drive. Definitely will be couple karaoke's in the future. To deeper contour, I'm gonna be using my Innisfree gray toned brown shade, because I feel like this is a more precise cut. I'm just gonna literally be doing that. It literally looks like someone cut me. It's insane. So I'm gonna do that. Just very lightly just blend it into the contour. How to draw a fake jawline? You do a double chin. You literally draw it from there. And boom! Your jawline's cut. That's literally how you fake Botox. Okay, I'm gonna contour my nose as well. I'm just gonna be... What the fuck? Okay, I think that's good so far. Literally so stressed right now because I just found out something. I hate that YouTube literally copyrights the shit out of everything now. Can't even play music in the background because I'm gonna get copyrighted. Putting a little bit on my nose. I've been using this. This is like a Tarte little top yacht glitter thing, and I'm just taking a little bit because a little bit goes along with, oh my god. Just tapping it, then literally rubbing it in because I want it to really blend in. And not, it's not gonna blend, it's not gonna look nice, and ugh. Yes, me baking underneath my eyes.
I should have stayed at home. Cause right now I see all these people that love me, but I still feel alone. Can't help but check my phone. I could have made you mine. And no, it wasn't meant to be. See, I wasn't meant for you and you weren't made for me. Though it seems so easy. Because I wanna be your favorite boy. You'll be mine, but I still wanna break your heart and make you cry. Won't you wait?
I just want to release that news. I don't really feel like doing anything right now, but yeah. Let me set it in face. This is the All-Nighter Makeup Setting Spray by Urban Decay. Now I am going to be doing the most exciting part, which is the jewels. So recently got a bunch of jewels from just this craft store, and these are really tiny rhinestones. Like, these are like the tiniest rhinestones you can find. I could only find these online, so yeah, these are the size SS6. I don't know if it's familiar to any of you guys, but size SS6. And I will be using some good old lash glue. So I will be replicating this look, Maddie's character. Not really, but I'm kind of adding my own twist to it. I'm just following my eye shape. I'm gonna be pouring out some of the jewels just on the table. I'm gonna pull out me. Okay, it says like guys, I literally poured out every single thing on the fucking table. I don't know why my mood is just so down. I don't know why. That's just sometimes you can't have everything your way. So taking a little jewel, then taking some lash glue. So hard to do. Okay, I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use like actual proper lash glue this time. Okay, so I'm putting the first one on my eyebrow here. Oh my god. Shove that in because I cannot afford these falling out throughout the day. Here. I'm gonna be putting one right here. Oh wow, this is really cute. Here. God, oh my god guys, I'm literally only halfway there and the glue is being so annoying. I don't think I'll ever be doing this ever again. Oh my god, this is so hard. Okay, we getting there though, we getting there. We getting there. I see you. Never thought I would grow balls to actually wear rhinestones out, although it's not that deep, it's just rhinestones, but still, I don't know why I'm acting as if it's like so deep. I feel like making them look symmetrical is gonna be super hard for me, but it's okay. Oh my god, I'm done. Okay, so I'm back like 10,000 hours later, but I got the rhinestones on, bitch. Ooh. So yeah, that is it for the makeup, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. And hopefully I come back with all my rhinestones on my face. Maybe I'll film later, maybe not, but yeah, this is the finished look. My next video will probably be a solo vlog, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, love you guys.